Lemonade diet, lose 19 pounds in 14 days. Lemonade diet lasts for like 10-14 days, which makes it almost 2 weeks. You can lose up to 19 pounds of excess weight. The basic principle of lemonade diet is a cleansing of toxins caused by bad lifestyle and rapid weight loss. Lemonade should be prepared as follows. In 2 liters of boiling water, squeeze the juice of 3 lemons, add 14 tablespoons of maple syrup and half a teaspoon of hot red pepper and stir. Drink this magical lemonade throughout the day in small sips every time you feel hungry. Lemon juice as part of the lemonade will help the body to get rid of toxins and fat. Maple syrup will provide the necessary calories, vitamins and elements, and hot pepper, cayenne pepper, will stimulate the metabolism. Other drinks you enter during the day, including saline, salt tip of the blade 2 deciliters of lukewarm water, and green tea will help to increase the removal of toxins from the body. In order to provide energy to the body, you need to drink 8 to 12 glasses of lemonade per day, which is about 800 to 1,200 calories. A gradual entry is required for the lemonade diet. 3 days before the diet, replace all semi-finished products and meat with fresh fruit and vegetables. It is necessary 2 days before the diet to consume only liquid food. 1 day before the diet, drink all day only fresh orange juice, at least 2 liters a day. Benefits: clean the body of all toxins, fast weight loss, the skin will get a special glow. After the lemonade diet, you will feel more energized and vitalized. Caution: lemonade diet is restricted to people who feel uncomfortable heartburn and suffering from peptic ulcer. For more information, click the link in the description. Good luck.